Where am I? You're looking at one of the most mesmerizing forces on Earth. It's been worshipped, feared, and studied for millennia. It cooks our food, lights our homes, and fuels our imaginations. But what is fire? Is it alive? Is it matter, energy, or something in between? By the end of this video, you'll never look at fire the same way again. To understand fire, let's start with the basics. Fire isn't a thing you can touch. It's a process, a chemical reaction known as combustion. Here's how it works. You need three key ingredients, often called the fire triangle: fuel, heat, and oxygen. Take away just one of these and fire disappears. So, what is fire? It's the visible result of atoms breaking and reforming. Here's a mind bender for you. Fire is plasma, kind of. Plasma is a supercharged state of matter where gas becomes so energetic that atoms lose electrons. The glow you see, that's energy being released as light. Where am I? Ah, yes, caught between science and wonder. Fire changed everything. Around 1.5 million years ago, humans tamed fire. It gave us warmth, protection from predators, and the power to cook food. Some historians argue that fire made us human. Cooking made our food easier to digest, giving our brains the energy to grow. Where am I? In the deep past, at the turning point of humanity, ancient myths celebrated fire as a gift from the gods. Think of Prometheus stealing fire from Zeus, or Agni, the Hindu god of fire. Fire symbolized life, power, and even rebirth, but it also destroyed civilizations through wildfires and war. Great fires have shaped cities. The Great Fire of London in 1666 destroyed 80% of the city but led to a massive rebuild. Fire is a destroyer and a creator, a perfect contradiction. Here's something amazing. Fire isn't always orange. The color of fire tells us about its temperature and what it's burning. Blue flames, they're the hottest, reaching temperatures of up to 1,600 degrees Celsius. Yellow or red flames are cooler. And what is fire when it burns green or purple? That's science. It's chemicals like copper or potassium changing the flame's color. Let's answer another big question. Can fire exist in space? On Earth, gravity pulls hot air up, giving flames their familiar shape. In microgravity, flames become spherical. NASA studies fire in space to improve fire safety on missions. Where am I now? Drifting in the vast silence of space where even fire looks alien. Fire has come a long way. Today, we use fire for energy, cooking, and rituals. We burn fuels like coal, gas, and wood, but that comes with a cost. Fossil fuels contribute to climate change, so we're turning to cleaner energy sources like solar and wind. But fire is still everywhere in our lives, even if you can't see it. In your car's engine, tiny explosions of fire propel you forward. In factories, fire powers industry. Even electricity is closely tied to fire's ability to release energy. But fire isn't always our friend. Every year, wildfires destroy millions of acres of forest, homes, and livelihoods. Climate change is making fires worse. They're burning hotter, spreading faster, and lasting longer. Where am I? At the front line of nature's fury. But there's hope. Firefighters use controlled burns to prevent larger wildfires. And fire safety at home can save lives. Remember the fire triangle? Eliminate heat, fuel, or oxygen, and fire stops. So, what is fire? It's energy. It's transformation. It's one of the most powerful forces we know. Fire has shaped our history, fuels our present, and even challenges our future. Where am I now? Back where we started, staring into the flames, lost in their dance. And maybe, just maybe, we understand fire a little better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.